This is what we call factor by grouping. So split it halfway, right? And once you've split it halfway, look on the left side. Let's see, you have 4AC. How do I write this one? Remember, you have to use the one with the lowest exponent,
yeah.
right? A. Did you see that? So what do? A is a common factor, right? You use the one with the lowest exponents to break it apart. A. Now, what is the common factor?
The common factor is.
Look at this. Look at this. What is the common factor?
A.
A. Gracias. Let's bring it outside. What do we have left?
A
minus
4.
It's not just 4. What do you have left?
4C.
4C. And what do I do next?
Now the other side, I do the same thing.
Copy and paste.
Copy, paste.
A minus what? 4C. Look at this. What is the common factor here?
B
Plus B. Did you see that? And your final answer is what? A minus 4C. Parenthesis what?
A B
plus
B.
And that's it.
Oh, I don't know comment.
First.
Can you do like that little thing, half?
Yes, you split it up halfway, right? Also, thank you, Shadow. So you split it up halfway, right? And now let's look on the left side. I like to rewrite things so it's easier for me to see. X is a common factor, right? I'm gonna write this using the lowest exponent. So this is gonna be X, right? And this one will be what? X. Right? This is, then you copy everything else. C, and this is 2. 3 and 2 is not a common factor, so you just have to leave it like that. So done with this, done with this. What is a common factor that you see? What is a common factor that you see?
2x.
It's not 2x. 2 is not a common factor. X is the common factor. X is the common factor. So I'm gonna put X outside. See, this is the common factor that I see. So this one is out. Out. What do we have left inside?
2x minus 3z.
2x minus what?
3z.
3z. Copy
and paste.
2x minus what? 3z. Now, let's rewrite this one. See, what is the common factor you see here?
Y.
Y. So I'm going to have to cross this out, and this is what goes outside. Minus. Always kind of drop the sign. And let's see if it works. Y times 2xy. Does it give you this?
Yes.
No, y times 2x gives you what? 2xy. Y times 3z gives me what? 3y. Got it? So it works. So what is my final answer?
Final answer is
Copy and paste.
copy and paste. Yeah.
2x minus 3z. Parentheses. This one goes there.
Minus
X minus
y.
And that's it. Now, so this one we're definitely gonna need a factor paper.
Which I'm coming out of.
So now, take out your factor paper. So let's split it up halfway. So first step is what?
First step is
Split it up.
12.
That's step 1. Now, take out your factor paper. Look at 24 and look at 9.
24.
Look at 24, look at 9. Can you please stop?
I don't know if I'm copying.
Can you please stop? Take out your to paper.
That's 24.
You gotta copy. I want everyone to pay attention for now. Remember, copy when I'm done. You don't copy when I'm writing things down. So look at 9 and 24. What is the common factor that you see? 9 and 24. Look at it. Everyone look at it. I'm not telling you guys.
For 9 is
It's
3.
3. And for
4 is 3.
So the biggest common factor is what? 3, right? So now let's write it out. So what is this one? So it's 3 times 3, right?
Yeah.
And what about for 24?
8 times 3.
3 times 8, right? Got it?
Yes.
So, and A is also a common factor, right? So it's A. M is not a common factor, drop it. N is not a common factor, drop it.
It's A.
That's 3 times 3. Now, let's look at this. On this, what is the first common factor?
A.
That's, so I see A. Alright, this is so I see A. And what else do you see?
3.
3. So it's what? 3 what? A. What do we have left? Don't take no, pay attention for now.
M.
8.
A. 8. M.
Minus what?
3 N.
You guys see that?
Then copy and paste.
Copy and what?
Paste.
Paste. 8M minus 3N.
Plus B.
B. Now, plus B, right?
Yeah.
But before you say plus B, be careful. Look at 40 again and look at 15 on your factor paper. 40 and 15. 40, 15 on your factor
5.
paper. 5.
Yeah, it's 5.
So this is 5 times what?
8.
5 times 8. This is what? 5 times what?
3.
3. And the common factor is B, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's B M.
Plus 5.
B, so what is the common factor?
Common factor is 5.
5. And
B.
we also see B as well, right?
B. Plus
Plus
5B.
Plus 5B. Got it? Now, what would be your final answer?
Copy and paste, but
Copy and paste.
for the other side, it's going to be 3A
3A
plus 5B.
plus
5B.
5B. That's nice. Good job, son.
Camera.
Alright, let's go. When A is 1, find the factors of what? C that has up to B. So we're looking for factors of 15. Everyone go on your factor paper. Factors of 15 that we add up to what? 8, negative 8.
Oh, that's 8.
So factors of what? 15. Let's look at factors of 15. So everyone give it to me.
15 times
15 times 1. Don't forget negative 15 times negative 1. What else?
5 times 3.
5 times 3
Negative 5 times negative 3.
negative 3. So these are the factors of 15, right? So which of these factors of 15 that adds up to what? Negative 8. Which
5
one?
times 3.
5 times 3 doesn't give you negative 8. 5 plus 3 won't give you negative 8.
Oh, negative 8.
I need to get negative 8. Which one? Is it this one or this one?
Negative 5 times negative 3.
Yes, this is the right one. Negative 5 times, see, negative 5 times negative 3 will give me what? 15. And when I add them together, negative 5 plus negative 3 will give me what? Negative 8. Don't forget, factors of C that what? Adds up to what? Factors of C that adds up to what? B.
B, yeah.
So that's why, so my answer will be x minus 5, x minus what? 3. Or you can also say what? X minus 3, x minus 5. You got it? Let's go to the next one. Is it the same thing?
Yeah.
Let's say the lyrics again. When
A
A is 1,
find
find find factors of C.
to B.
Now, let's find factors of 20. What are the factors of 20? Let's go.
20 times 1, negative 20 times negative 1, 10 times 2, negative 10 times negative 2, 5 times 4, negative 5 times negative 4.
Alright, so out of all of this, which one adds up to 9? Let's see. I'm not gonna waste my time on this because I know this is not gonna
5 times 4.
5 times 4 will give me what? Positive what? 9.
9.
So this tells me my answer. My answer
X plus 5, X plus 4, or X plus 4, X plus 5.
awesome. Always check to see if you can factor something out. First, always check. Looking at A, B, and C, can we factor something out? Yes. 2. This is 2 times what? 6. 2 times 11. 2 times what? 7. What can we factor out? 2. So we are left with what? 6x squared minus what? 11x minus 7. What did I tell us to do with any time you have this? Drop it like it's out.
Is it a positive 11?
Now, plus, yes, thank you. Plus 11x. Now, factors of what? AC, because when your A is 1, factors of what? AC, that adds up to what? B. So your AC in this case is gonna what? 6 times what? Negative 7, negative what? 40 what? 42. What is the lyrics? When A is not 1, find the factors of what? AC, that what? Adds up to B. So factors of negative 42, that will give us positive 11. What is it going to be?
14 minus 3.
14 negative what? 3. So let's rewrite it. X plus 14 minus what? 3. You're not done. Now you bring your A. Put your A right there. So your A is what? 6. Before you push it what? Forward. Check to see if you can what? Simplify. Again, before you what? Push it forward. Check to see if you can simplify. Let's check. Can we simplify this? By what? 2. So this becomes what? 7 over what? 3. By 2. By 2. Let's check this one. Before we push anything forward, can we simplify?
Yes.
By what? Not 2. By 3. So this becomes what? 1 half. And now you are done. But before you say you're done, what do we do with this? Push it forward. So this becomes, you see this goes here. 3x plus 7 parenthesis what? 2x minus 1. And that's how we do this. Squares. Difference of what? Square. Is 64 a perfect square?
Yes.
Yes. So how do I express this? If it's a perfect square.
8.
8. So 8 squared. Is this a perfect square?
Yes.
So how do I express this?
5.
5x with the square outside. With this, you're done.
I forgot where we gotta put the squares.
Huh?
Are we gonna put the squares again?
You see. Plus, minus. Got it? So now, what goes here? 8.
8.
What goes here?
I can't see.
What goes here?
5x.
5x. We gotta keep going, guys. Don't worry about it though. What? Got it?
Okay.
Look at this. What can we factor here?
1.
3.
3. Because this is 3 times 1, 3 times 1. So pay attention with this one. So I can factor our what? 3. What are we left with? X squared minus what? 1. Are we good? It looks like we're done. We are not done. Can we break this down? Yes. This one, because this is what? X squared. And can I express 1 as a square? Yes. 1 is the same as what? 1 squared. So this becomes x plus 1, x minus 1.